Kani gadega pati CCTV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni.
Hadian san Snem nang ni Shakman, kejala Meghalaya kan sayo ban Pynlong ya kelumpong ileka ke bahetam hakari India hi borkawai. Kabalatip kum ke National Games, kabalat humu ban Pynlong haus Snem arhajar arpuar. Ban penorlong ya kani kelumpong henin kasngi kalai terik ukula lingkon. Kaladan ro ka Ïasoi hapadang ke Sarkar Jila leng bakatnat Sports and Youth Affairs ringkat ke Kanhon Meghalaya State Olympic Association bat ke Indian Olympic Association hakajelang ke Berlong Hayajuna Bhavan Conference Hall Secretariat Shillong. Nakalyang kejala Meghalaya la Ïasoi ke Soskular dau Additional Chief Secretary Peter W. Ingti ringkan Presiden ke Meghalaya State Olympic Association Ubak Joan F. Karshieng. Kat ba nakalyang ka Indian Olympic Association pan lasai dau General Secretary Rajiv Mehta.
In the behalf of Indian Olympic Association, I am delighted to be here today for the singing of the post-treaty contract for the 39 National Games 2022 Meghalaya. The contract will be signed by the Indian Olympic Association and Meghalaya State Olympic Association and the Government of Meghalaya. The purpose of this entering into this contract is that no list to the list out of all requirement to help and ensure the whole city, the state is able to conduct the national games successfully in time. The Indian Olympic Association will provide all support for the conduct of the games whenever required. Maybe technical requirement from the Meghalaya state, so we will ready for that. It is a wonderful opportunity for the Northeast to showcase itself to the country. This can only be made possible if we all are together in making this the best National Games ever.
So here I would like to request upon each and every stakeholders to cooperate, give their support and stinting support to the Meghalaya State Olympic Association and to the Government of Meghalaya and of course to the Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs so that we make this memorable historic national games which we will make the state proud. So I don't have much to say, so I just wish that with all the support of everyone concerned we'll be able to host these national games in another 5 years' time successfully and provide a larger platform, a bigger platform for a young sportsperson, for a budding sportsperson to showcase the talent and of course if possible maybe they'll be able to showcase the talent even outside the country.
Take you far, the rest is just your heart. When you faint is all your own creation.
Will be moved to the peaceful hospital, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
To the Secretary General, Indian Olympic Association.